Hi students, in this video I want to tell you about a trick to remember 7 crystal systems from solid state chemistry. So you know about crystal system. Generally cubic system, when you analyze a cubic system, it is a cubic system. In this system these are the atoms. Say for example, this length between these two atoms is A, axial length A. Say for example it is B, and the distance between these two atoms is say C. What are ABC? ABC are axial lengths. Axial lengths are A, B, C here for this crystal, for this cubic system, and it is alpha. The angle between A, B and C is alpha, and A and C is beta. A and B is, say for example, gamma. If you change ABC, alpha, beta, gamma are constant. The angle between A and B is what? Gamma. And BC, alpha. And AC, beta. So these are called as axial angles. Axial angles. So here what we are going to remember, here we are going to remember the axial lengths and axial angles for 7 crystal systems. You know about crystal systems. In 7 crystal systems, cubic, tetragonal, orthorhombic, trigonal, hexagonal, monoclinic and triclinic. These are all there. So how to remember and how to write axial lengths and axial angles for those 7 crystal systems? That is now I am going to tell you as a trick. Now here the trick is, CTOT-HMT. CTOT-HMT, where C stands for cubic. You have to remember in this order. Cubic crystal. T stands for tetragonal. Tetragonal. O, orthorhombic. So next T, trigonal. Trigonal. Rhombohedral. Trigonal are also called as rhombohedral. Hexagonal, where M stands for monoclinic. T stands for triclinic. Triclinic. So for these systems, how axial angles and axial lengths will be, how to remember in a proper order. Now see in this cubic, tetragonal, orthorhombic, trigonal, hexagonal, monoclinic and triclinic. So order is, how we follow these are: A equals to B equals to C. All axial lengths are equal, and here A equals to B, that is not equals to C, and A is not equals to B is not equals to C. How you write these three? You have to write as it is here. A equals to B equals to C, not equals to C. I am writing here. Next, this one is A not equals to B not equals to C. So wait for triclinic. Now axial angles. For axial angles, alpha equals to beta equals to gamma equals to 90 degrees. And then same for these two also. For next three, how you write is alpha equals to beta equals to gamma, that is not equals to 90 degrees. And here alpha equals to beta equals to 90 degrees, but gamma is 120 degrees for hexagonal. And here see, alpha equals to gamma, that equals to 90 degrees, beta is not equals to 90 degrees. Okay, now you have to remember these two only. For triclinic, it is purely unsymmetric one. Unsymmetric one means all are not equals. Axial lengths are not equal together, and axial angles are also not equal to each other, and which is not equals to 90 degrees. So this is the trick. So here the trick is how easily we remember. So these three are repeating here, and for these three, cubic, tetragonal and orthorhombic, axial angles are same. And last one is, it is most unsymmetric, and we need to remember these three. In these three, alpha equals to beta, that equals to 90 degrees. Here alpha equals to gamma, that equals to 90 degrees. Here gamma 120 degrees, beta is not equals to 90 degrees. Okay, see here, cubic crystal is highly symmetric one. Cubic crystal is highly symmetric one, all are equal. The triclinic is highly unsymmetric one, all are not equal. So this is the trick, students. So if you follow this trick, if you practice this trick again and again, it is easy to remember, and you can easily answer when the questions related to crystal systems easily in your competitive examinations. And I will tell you the examples of these crystals also now. Now examples for these systems are, for cubic system, sodium chloride, potassium chloride and zinc blend, ZnS, copper, carbon in the form of diamond. For tetragonal is white tin, SnO2, TiO2, calcium sulfate. Orthorhombic, rhombic sulfur, potassium nitrate, barium sulfate and potassium sulfate. And for trigonal crystal system, calcite, CaCO3, HGS, KMnO4, very important, potassium permanganate. For hexagonal, graphite, zinc oxide, cadmium sulfide. For monoclinic sulfur, see, rhombic sulfur belongs to orthorhombic. Monoclinic sulfur belongs to monoclinic crystal system. Sodium sulfate, NH2O. Triclinic, the most unsymmetric one. Boric acid, copper sulfate pentahydrate and potassium dichromate. So this is about crystal system, students. I hope you understand, you can remember, practice well and remember this one. Thank you.